Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink coffee properly. First, select high-quality coffee beans, as this is the foundation of a great cup. Grind your beans right before brewing to preserve their aromatic oils and flavor. Always use filtered water. It makes a significant difference in the final taste, allowing the coffee's true notes to shine through without interference from tap water impurities. These initial steps are crucial for an enjoyable coffee experience. Next, let's talk about brewing. The ideal water temperature is between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal extraction. A good starting point for your coffee-to-water ratio is 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water. Pay attention to brewing time. Over-extraction can lead to bitterness, while under-extraction results in a weak, sour taste. Experiment to find your perfect balance. Now for the enjoyment part. To truly appreciate your coffee, try drinking it black first. This allows you to experience its unique flavors and aromas without alteration. If you prefer additions, use them sparingly. Too much sugar or cream can mask the coffee's natural characteristics. Also, be mindful of the time you consume coffee, especially later in the day, to ensure it doesn't interfere with your sleep patterns. Savor each sip. To further enhance your coffee ritual, proper storage is key. Keep your coffee beans in an airtight container, away from direct sunlight and heat, to maintain their freshness for longer. Regular cleaning of your brewing equipment is also essential. Residue can build up and negatively impact the taste of your next cup. And speaking of making things easy, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy your perfectly brewed coffee.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.